Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that I can get notified each time I post a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my videos, and I use the easiest editing app ever. Trust me, like the easiest I've seen, and I've seen a lot of apps, so this to me is like the easiest, and it's free. The app is free. It's not those kind of apps that, you know, after a month you have to start paying or something, like, or maybe some features will not be useful except you pay. This is completely free. So the name of the app is SHOTCUT. So let's head over to my system so I can show you guys, you know, everything and how it works. So this is the app. This is what it looks like. This is the only app I know that has the background like this, like it has a plain background. Most of the apps that I know, they have different segments. If I want to open it, just be like, what is going on here? But this one is not all that. You can find everything you need, like just here, and here. So I'm going to open a video now, and to open a video, you just go to open file. I'll probably get a video that I've edited before and just re-edit it. So you select the files that you want to work with. So I'm just going to select 4 videos. So what happens is that those videos will save in a playlist. This is the playlist, so you can easily select videos from here, you know, preview it and know which one you're going to choose. So I'm going to choose the first one. Is either you put it here and still take it down here. My system has a lot, so there's a lot that gets to hang on my system. So you can just drag your file and put there, or you just click on this plus button and it's going to add whatever file you need, whatever file that is selected. Let me reduce it so that you see everything. The main things that I do on my video is to split, cut, copy, paste, add music and stuff. So this is how you split a video. You just go here. If I want to split this video into 2, say I want to remove a particular part of this video, I'm going to go to, you can see that it's written there, split at playhead. You split, it's going to divide the video into 2. You select somewhere else and then you split, and it's going to divide the other side, and then you select and, you know, and just remove. You can cut. Now if you want to remove a video, you know, you press remove. Let me undo that. There are 3 options that are there that are useful. So if you just want to remove that video without this other video adjusting to join the first video, you select lift. So that's what I do. I just select lift and it lifts that video. There you now have a space. The reason I like to lift sometimes is so that I can have a space to, maybe if I want to do slow motion for this particular video, I'll just lift this part so that I will now add slow motion here. You know, we'll get to the slow motion part. So that's the reason I get to lift most times. Or if I want to add another video here. So if you want to still remove this space, you can do that. You just right click and then you remove, right? So that is for splitting, cutting and removing. You can also copy. Let me undo and copy that particular clip. So if you select it, you see cut, copy. If you copy it, it's just going to copy the clip. Then you can paste it at any point in the video. So I'm going to cut. Okay, I'm going to copy. Let me copy and put this line. Anywhere this line is where your action is going to take place. So I'll place this at the end and I'm going to do Ctrl V there, and it's going to paste that same clip. So that is that for copy and paste, or cut. If I cut it, so you still do the same thing. So yeah, so let us add a transition. To add a transition, I'm going to select this clip, select it and leave it selected, and then move it to this side. You see, and then it's already a transition on its own. Like, that is why I say that this app is very easy. I don't really have to go and select a particular transition for it to, you know, be a transition. Most apps you have to go select transition, blah blah blah. So but this one, once you just add this other clip to this one, it's going to be a transition. So right now the way it is, you're just going to do regular transition of, you know, fading into the other video. Let's see. You see, the difference is not so much because it was a continuous clip, but if it was another clip, then you're going to really see the difference. Now this is for the transition, the default transition that comes with it. If you now want the different transition, you can select it. If you select it, you go to properties. You must select it for these properties to show. If you don't select it, it's not going to show. You select it, you go to properties, you know, change your transition. I like this iris circle, I use it a lot. Then I reduce the softness. This part is not important, guys. Just select your other transition and then it's going to be different. So you see, it comes out like a circle and the second video comes out. So what we have talked about here is easy transition, you know, cuts, easy cutting and stuff. Almost everything that you need is here. You can also cut a video from here. You can paste and everything, but I like to just right click because it's easier for me to do that. I don't know what these things are for. These other things, I don't know what they are for. Then aside this stuff that I get to use, where you can find all the filters, like all the filters that are in this app is here. You just click on filters and then this is where you add filter from. All the filters are here. These are video filters, audio filters. I hardly play with the audio. I just reduce volume and increase volume. This is how to reduce volume. If you press gain of volume, you can increase or reduce the volume. So all your audio filters, that's where you find it. These are just plain things that you see. Then to export your video, just click on export and you go here and export file. I don't usually change these things. Like once you put the video, it lets you know the resolution and aspect ratio of the video that you've put. Now if you want to add an audio clip, you select this three lines. I like to make my tracks shorter because I need more space to work. So I'll select this and add audio track, and then I can add music. So I'm just going to open file, select a song, any song. So I'm going to drag that and place it on the audio file. So you have your music, you have your video. Favorite is for the filters that you get to use a lot. This has helped me a lot because there are some filters I like to use a lot. So I just go there and I find that there's another thing that's very important. You can add another video in this video. Now you just select you just add a video track. When you add a video track, then you now open the video. Let me click on this video. So I'm going to click on that and add it above. As you can see, this video is now on top of the video that I had here before. So you can resize it if you want it to be at one point. Let me cut and remove this side. So I'll select it and go to this place that I'm going to get a filter from. So if I click on the filter, it's a video filter because it's resizing a video. So I'm going to go to size and position. All these things is not something you learn in one day, but I'm just trying to let you know that everything that you need on the app is not really hard to find. So now when you click on size and position, you can now resize this video and put it anywhere you want. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is how to add text. You go to filters, you go to, it's a video filter. It's either you put 3D text, but 3D text you cannot really resize it and change the size. So you might just go to the regular text filter. That's what I use most times. I click on text and it's going to bring out this thing. So what you do is to put this thing and remove this text that is here and add what you want to add. Good morning. So that is the text filter, and you resize it. You can just resize it from the video. I don't think there's anything else, but this app is actually very easy to use. This is the background. This is how I edit my videos. Like, it has a lot. You can do reverse. It's not something that you can learn like all at once. I'm going to like try to do different videos that will show how to do different things, like reversing a video. That's what a lot of makeup artists use and a lot of people use. Okay, I've not shown you guys how to do slow motion. Slow motion, very important. So I want to reduce the motion in this video. Let me just take a small portion. So I'm going to select it. When I select it, I'll go to properties. This is the only filter that you will not find here. Is a different filter on its own. So I'll go to properties and then I'll reduce the speed to, like, see, notice what's happening here. I'm reducing the speed. It was on 1000 before. It was on 1000, I mean 1. I'm reducing it to 0.7, and then I'll just click on the video. If you want it to reduce more, let me reduce it to 0.5. It has extended this video. Before you can use slow motion, you have to have space. There has to be space, because when you reduce the motion of the video, it's going to extend it, and if there's no space, it's going to extend to the next clip and spoil everything. Let me, so this is it. So everything is now slow. So you can see slow motion. There are so many online tutorials for how to use SHOTCUT, so you can make use of that and to help you. Yeah, so guys, that's how I edit my videos using SHOTCUT. There's a lot more to learn, but that will not be in today's video. There are lots of tutorials on how to use SHOTCUT, but I'm just letting you know how the app works, and you know, so that you can download it. It's completely free. So yeah, that's all I have. Like, the video is already so long. Thanks for watching, guys, and I love you. 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 I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.